Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to share a quick another Halloween video for my Halloween series. I am making these, they were called something wands. I'm not sure, but they are just wooden spools and knobs that I wood glued together. Sorry, it's not focusing well. There it is. And so just a variety of sizes on the wood spools. And so I am going to paint these for the Halloween season. So I will be back. I'll also be, I'll be back. I'll to show you. Okay, stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. Okay, so I'm back. I've painted the wood dowels like I told you I was going to. I have them complete. So here they are. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, I'm unraveling. But so I've added trim, washi, dangles. I watched Sabrina Ann Creates. I used to watch her all the time when she was more active here on YouTube. And she's the one who inspired me to make these. So there's one. It just has trim. And then the dangle. This thing is supposed to autofocus, but I don't think it is. So again, here is the... And she called them washi wands, so they're just wands to me. And then here's another one. I just have trim all on this one as well. And then the dangle. And here's another one. So this one I added washi. And then I have some of the crepe paper that is sewed down the middle. That's what I've attached here. And then another dangle. So these are, like I said before, they are spools. And candle cups, which these are the candle cups, I believe, this piece, and then the spool, and then I have another candle cup. So that's what's on the ends, is these candle cups, I believe. And then spool, I got two different size spools. Here's another one. And I added more of that crepe paper ruffle. Another dangle. And then this is a short one. Just a little dangle. And then some of the ruffled crepe paper. This one has washi. And I just added the eyeball on the top. And this one has trim and then some of that crepe paper ruffle. And the eyeball on the top. And this one has washi and the crepe paper. So yeah. Thank you, Sabrina Ann. I wish you were more active on. I've missed you on YouTube. But let me know how you guys like my wands. I'll leave her video, her original video, in my link in the description box below, so you guys can go check her out. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Whoops. Shakas.